There's a reason your life feels stuck. There's a reason success feels harder for you than it should. There's a reason your discipline rises and falls like a broken machine. It's because you've been trying to improve your habits when you should have been improving your identity. Today, we're going deeper than motivation, deeper than productivity hacks. This is the Stoic path to self-mastery. Not the version social media sells you, but the version that forges unshakable human beings. Most people in the US and everywhere else think discipline is something you force. Wake up earlier, work harder, push more, grind, repeat. But the Stoics never taught discipline through force. They taught discipline through alignment. Alignment between who you think you are, who you say you are, who you act like daily. The gap between these three, that is where suffering lives. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." In modern words, stop trying to act disciplined. Build an identity where discipline is the natural result. Here's the truth most people miss. If you see yourself as someone who's lazy, inconsistent, or easily distracted, your brain will always prove you right. Identity, behavior, results, reinforced identity, a loop, a prison, a predictable failure cycle. Self-mastery begins by breaking that loop. Every Stoic understood something psychology is finally proving today. You will always act like the person you believe you are. Tell yourself, "I'm easily distracted," and your brain will happily distract you. Tell yourself, "I'm not consistent," and you'll quit the moment motivation fades. Tell yourself, "I'm built for more." Your actions will start matching that sentence. Identity is stronger than motivation, stronger than feelings, stronger than habits. Identity is destiny. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do." Meaning, decide who you are first, then act accordingly, not the other way around. Most people do it backwards. They wait for proof before changing identity. The Stoics changed identity before receiving proof. That's why they became powerful. If you want self-mastery, ask yourself 2 questions, honestly, brutally, without filters. 1. Who am I right now? Not who you wish you were, not who you pretend to be, but who you truly are based on your actions, your choices, and your patterns. Are you someone who quits easily? Are you someone who avoids discomfort? Are you someone who fears judgment? Are you someone who talks more than works? This part is painful, but all transformation begins in pain. 2. Who do I need to become to build the life I want? Not what habits do I need, not what tactics should I follow, but who must you be? A disciplined mind, a focused creator, a resilient worker, a calm thinker, a courageous human. Define the character first, then the habits follow automatically. This is the Stoic algorithm for identity. Every person has 2 identities living inside them. 1. The identity you were given, the one shaped by your childhood, environment, failures, and fears. This identity is usually insecure, reactive, emotional, fearful, inconsistent. This identity sabotages your growth. 2. The identity you create, the one shaped intentionally through choices, discipline, and philosophy. This identity is grounded, rational, resilient, intentional, powerful. Your life depends on which one you feed. Most people never grow because they keep choosing the identity that keeps them safe instead of the identity that makes them strong. Step 1. Choose a clear identity statement. Make it simple and unavoidable. I am the type of person who stays focused no matter what. I am the type of person who finishes what I start. I am the type of person who does the hard things first. I am the type of person who controls my emotions. Repeat it daily, not as affirmations, but as a commitment. The Stoics believed in identity through action, not empty words. Step 2. Define your non-negotiables. Your identity must have rules. For example, 1 hour of deep work every day. No phone before important tasks. No negotiating with excuses. No reacting emotionally to problems. These aren't habits. They are expressions of your identity. A disciplined person doesn't try to be disciplined. They simply don't break their rules. Step 3. Remove identity conflicts. Identity dies in conflict. You cannot say, I'm disciplined, but keep skipping your responsibilities. You cannot say, I'm focused, but scroll every free minute. You cannot say, I'm strong, but run from discomfort. Every time your actions contradict your identity weakens. The Stoics were powerful because they lived in alignment. Step 4. Train your emotions, not eliminate them. Self-mastery isn't about suppressing emotions. It's about controlling your reactions. Marcus Aurelius felt anger, fear, sadness, stress, but he trained himself never to be controlled by them. Your emotional triggers are not weaknesses. They're locations for training. A Stoic identity forms by repeatedly facing the things that disturb you until they stop disturbing you. Step 5. Make consistent action. Your religion identity is built brick by brick. Every time you choose the identity you want over the identity you have, you create a new future. Every time you show up when you don't want to, your identity strengthens. Every time you resist temptation, you grow. Every time you choose discipline over distractions, you evolve. Self-mastery is not built in big moments. It's built in small ones, repeatedly. If you don't control your identity controls your life. If you identify as unlucky, your brain will filter the world for bad outcomes. If you identify as a failure, you'll subconsciously sabotage success. If you identify as not good enough, you'll always settle for less. Identity becomes destiny, for better or worse. A weak identity guarantees a weak life. A strong identity guarantees a strong future. The question is simple. How do you become the version of yourself that nothing destroys? Here's the Stoic model. 1. Control what you can. Your effort, your discipline, your mindset, your reactions, your decisions. 2. Accept what you can't, other people, external chaos, judgment, unpredictable events, failures. 3. Focus on what matters, your purpose, your character, your long-term identity. When you operate inside these boundaries, you become psychologically unstoppable. Because nothing outside your control can break you, and everything inside your control can build you. I want you to imagine 2 versions of yourself. Version 1, the current you pulling yourself through life, trying to stay disciplined, trying to stay focused, trying to make progress, trying, always trying. Version 2, the identity-driven you. The version driven by purpose, not feelings. The version who keeps promises to themselves. The version who thinks clearly and acts boldly. The version who doesn't break under pressure. That second version isn't a fantasy, it's a decision. And you can make that decision today. Imagine waking up each day and knowing exactly who you are, not confused, not lost, not inconsistent, but grounded, focused, clear, steadfast. Imagine walking through chaos without losing your center. Imagine building success not from luck, but from identity. Imagine becoming the kind of person your future self would thank you for. This is self-mastery. This is identity transformation. This is the Stoic way. And it starts with one sentence: I choose who I become. If this message hit you deeply, then don't let it fade. Subscribe right now for more Stoic-based self-mastery content. Like the video so YouTube knows this deserves to be seen. And comment one thing: I choose a stronger identity. I will see you in the next chapter of your transformation.